I've noticed that things don't get better over time, but instead you learn to deal with things better. What do I mean by this? Uma uyingane, when you're a kid, if someone uyafika uthatha into yakho, what did you do? You used to cry. Yabo? Uyakhala, that's your response. It's the only way you know how to deal with things. They give you keep quiet. They take it away, you cry again. Yabo? And the more you grow up, umuntu magaloko ayenza the same thing. Afika kuthathela into, uyamshaya. You take something, uyamshaya. 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 That's how you then develop what okay, manje, you take my thing, I more you. But the more you grow up is the more you realize, hey, okay, I can't resort to fighting all the time when things don't go my way. So umuntu makafika athatha into, so ucabanga manje, hey, I'm a criminal record, so ucabanga all those things. So if someone takes your thing, you find alternative ways of dealing with the situation. So it simply means things from ebuncaneni bakho to where you are now. Things didn't change. You just developed. What does this then mean? This simply means every section yempilo yakho requires a different version of you. So in every year or every phase, you need to keep on reinventing yourself. Because if you keep the same mindset, if you keep the same way of dealing with izinto for a longer period of time, what will happen is life will outgrow you and you will end up being an adult, Mara, you don't know how to deal with things. You don't know how to process emotions. You don't know how to deal nama situation. So it's important that each and every chance you get, reinvent yourself, work on making yourself better. And kumbuli, things don't get better, but you get better over time.